Welcome back. Now it's time for our weekly crypto and digital asset update with Catherine Murray. She's the host of the Buck Stops here, and she joins us now. Take it away, Catherine.
Thanks, Nima. Hello, everyone, and welcome to your weekly crypto and digital asset update. I am Catherine Murray. Well, cryptocurrencies continue to move higher with the total market cap now at about $1.1 trillion. Bitcoin has moved above that $23,000 mark, so a bit of a key level there, psychologically more than technical, and is up by about 3% week over week. Ethereum is leading the charge and leading the crypto rally on a software upgrade optimism, and also as risk aversion eases. That, of course, is helping all asset classes, notably, of course, the equity markets, which have been seeing a nice rally this week across the board. And we're also seeing more activity take place. The CME, in fact, notched record crypto derivative trades in the second quarter. Interestingly, as well, when we think about adoption, because that's always one of the key areas of focus for the naysayers in crypto, BCG, or the Boston Consulting Group, is out with an interesting report saying that crypto will reach 1 billion users by 2030. Interestingly, as well, the report also shows that 0.3% of individual wealth is in cryptocurrencies. That compares to 25% of individual wealth in equity markets. So in other words, we're still at the very beginning phases of this industry and the adoption curve. Now, if you're wondering how to invest or which firms allow you to invest in cryptocurrencies, recall that back in April, Fidelity was the first major firm to roll out Bitcoin for 401k plans or your retirement plans. Now we're seeing several fintech companies also enter this space in terms of allowing you to have some of your retirement money in cryptocurrencies. And just as an example, Bitcoin IRA was actually established back in 2016, and that is where they allowed investors, individuals, to roll over their 401k or IRA plans and begin buying Bitcoin. Apparently, they have 150,000 users and about $2 billion in assets under management. Away from that, of course, when we think about firms continuing to enter the market, UK bank Barclays has taken a stake in a crypto firm called Copper. Copper is a way for institutional investors to enter and participate in the space because they provide trading platforms, settlement, as well as custody solutions for 450 crypto assets and over 45 exchanges. Their flagship product is called Clearloop, and it connects the universe of exchanges in one secure trading loop. I say interestingly as well because it offers real-time settlement across a number or multiple networks. The reason why real-time settlement is important is because that's one of the key attributes that the proponents of blockchain and cryptocurrencies talk about. The ease of settlement, the speed of settlement, and of course, lower costs is also one of the key reasons why people would be interested in this area of the market. We always want to talk a little bit about regulations and where we stand. There's still a lot to be developed, and many proponents, again, of blockchain and cryptocurrencies want to see regulation. It almost is telling you that there's more and more of a buy-in. But right now, SEC Chair Gensler is really still pushing to get crypto trading platforms to be registered with the regulator, that of course being the SEC. So still more work to go there. Lastly, just two Canadian companies to talk about here. FRNT Financial, ticker is FRNT or Front Financial on the TSX. They showed some positive investment returns for June and also positive investment returns for 2022. This is their ARB focus, so risk arbitrage focused investment fund. And through that, they were actually able to sidestep many of the collapses. If you recall, only going back a couple of weeks ago, we have seen many companies falter because of the crypto winter that we've been talking about, the massive decline in cryptocurrencies. But as I've been saying for the past couple of weeks, we are seeing some stability, and now we're seeing a little bit of a move higher. So just some interesting news there. And also another Toronto-based company called CoinSquare. They did announce that they're going to be laying off about 24% of their workforce, again, due to the market conditions, which we know have been tough. And again, as I say, maybe seeing a little bit of stability. But we know there's a lot of volatility in the market, whether it's equities, fixed income, and or cryptocurrencies. So we'll see where we go from here. But right now, Bitcoin seems to be holding steady just above that $23,000 mark. Nima, I'll leave it there. Back to you.
Lots to keep our eyes on, Catherine. Thanks for that. For more news from around the world and from the world of finance in particular, be sure to tune in to Catherine Murray on The Buck Stops Here, Sundays at 9 a.m. Eastern, only on the News Forum Network.